Hello everyone, my name is Uday. Welcome to Techisher channel. In this video, we are going to see how to record your desktop or laptop screen using VLC media player. Yes, we don't need any screen recording software to record your screen. We can simply use the same VLC app that we use to watch movies. So, let's see how to do it. First of all, open VLC media player on your laptop. From the media menu options, click on the Open Capture Device option. Now from here, change the capture mode to desktop, and you can also change the frame rate to your desired frame rate, and I'll keep 15 here. Here you will see a small drop down option available next to the play option. Click on it and select convert. Before we go ahead and start recording, we need to do two more things. First one is to create a profile, and second one is to choose a destination folder for the recorded video. Click on this icon to see various video format options that are available, and choose MP4 for now, and also choose a profile name to save this change. I'll take it as MP4. We also have the options to change the bitrate for the video codec and audio codec, and we also have the options for subtitles, but for now we will stick with creating a profile. So click on create to create a profile, and from the profile options, make sure you select the created profile. Now the second and the last task is to choose a destination folder where the recorded video should be saved. I personally prefer to save it on the desktop so I can instantly access it once the recording is completed and later move it to wherever I want. So I'll just select desktop, and I'll choose a name for this as VLC screen recording. Click on save to save this video, and click on start to start recording the video. Now that VLC is recording everything that's happening on the screen right now, I'll just minimize it and I'll open another browser to record something on the screen. Now when we are done with the recording, we just go back to VLC media player and click on the stop button to stop the recording. You can see the recorded video has been saved on my desktop on the left side. I'll open this in a different media player so you can watch the recorded video. That's it guys, I hope you liked the video. Hit the like button if you like this video, and please do subscribe if you want to see more such videos. And yes, since I'm a starter in YouTube video making, your likes and subscribes will really boost the confidence in me and the hope. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day.